Meet the 4ALLFAMILY Chiller Medicine Cooler, the best solution to store medicines that need to be at room temperature, like opened and in-use insulin pens such as 𝗪𝗪𝗥𝗟𝗪𝗚𝗏, 𝗪𝗙𝗏𝗏, 𝗪𝗪𝗏𝗏𝗪𝗏, 𝗀𝗵𝗏𝗏𝗏, 𝗀𝗵𝗏𝗏𝗏, EpiPens for allergic reactions, eye drops medication, weight loss medication, vitamin B12 injections, and many more. It will be your best companion while you're enjoying a day at the beach, hiking, or traveling. Today we'll be looking at how to use this product. Let's do this together. We hope you enjoy this video. The 4ALLFAMILY Chiller is an evaporative unit purposely designed to keep medication cool within the safe temperature range of 18 to 26 degrees Celsius for a minimum of 45 hours, even at a constant environmental temperature of 37 degrees Celsius. It comes in different sizes to accommodate one or multiple medications at the same time. This product is very easy to use and requires only cold water to be activated. The first thing you need to do is submerge the inner cooling wallet that contains the water-activated crystals into cold water for a few minutes, as shown in this video. The amount of time you need to leave this cooling wallet in cold water depends on the size of the product you purchase. For more information, here is a chart that explains how many minutes you need to leave your cooling wallet in cold water, depending on the 4ALLFAMILY Chiller size you have. After you take the first step, gently towel dry and leave the wallet to dry off for 5 minutes. This allows the crystals to absorb any excess water. Once you have completed the first and second steps, the last thing you need to do is put your medications inside the cooling wallet, as you see in this video. While you're on the go, make sure to store it in an external pouch in your bag so that fresh air can keep it cool all day long. The 4ALLFAMILY chillers are reusable and provide continuous, safe storage conditions. Every 45 hours, or as soon as the crystals inside start to diminish in size, the 4ALLFAMILY inner wallet should be submerged in water once again to keep the medication cool. Reactivating the crystals will only take 2 to 4 minutes when used continuously, because they will still be half active. If you're not sure if this cooler is the right choice for you, please consult with our customer care team by visiting our website 4allfamily.com. This was it, everyone. The 4ALLFAMILY Chiller will come in handy on your next trip, fun activities, or even on your day-to-day tasks. This cooler will make your day more fun and safe due to your meds being kept cool and protected from light inside this easy-to-use and portable cooler. You have nothing to worry about, so enjoy your next adventure while your chiller cooler stores your meds at the right temperature. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to leave a comment on this video or contact our customer service support number provided below the description of this video. Stay cool and limitless!